How can I help you?
I suffer from an old sprain.
Old
It's an
sprain?
ankle sprain like 6 months ago. I was
Uh-huh.
running, and now I feel in the morning stiffness, and when I run or when I do stairs, I feel pain and it's extremely sensitive.
Okay.
Que tuvo un esguince de tobillo hace unas semanas corriendo,
The 6 months.
desde hace 6 meses. ¿Y when do you feel the pain now?
I feel it in my ankle on the outside. It's extremely sensitive.
So
I
in,
hardly can touch it.
on the ankle, on the outside and
Outside, front side.
front side. Okay. Can you show people a little bit? Yes, thank you so
Entonces
much.
tiene dolor en la parte frontal y externa.
Okay. At the moment, if you climb stairs or go downstairs, you will feel the pain. Okay.
Y ahora cuando sube o baja escaleras siente el dolor.
Okay. We are lucky. We have stairs here.
Tenemos suerte, tenemos escaleras.
Okay. How much from 0 to 10?
De 0 a 10, 4.
Tender here?
Sensible ahí.
A bit? Right there? Tender here? No. Here? Okay, mainly here. Okay. So I put one needle close to St. Joe 4.
Una aguja cerca de triple prefector 4.
Okay, now could you please just move your ankle? Just like this, gentle. Very gentle. No weight, no pressure.
De moverlo despacito sin poner peso ni presión.
Okay? Now, do you have any feeling of stiffness, of pain just by doing this?
¿Tiene algún dolor ahora haciendo esto?
Okay, now you can go to the stairs.
Y ahora las escaleras.
Three.
3. Okay, can you do one more time? Okay, 3.
Yes.
Okay, can you show me exactly where do you feel the 3?
¿Me puede enseñar dónde está exactamente el dolor de 3?
Ah, okay. So now it's a little bit more on this side, if I'm correct. It was more here before, right? It was
Where
like
it's extremely
here.
sensitive. It's here it's sensitive.
Okay,
Close to
but
the
now you
bone.
feel it here.
Yes.
Okay, so this one you don't feel anymore, am I correct?
But I felt it. I didn't felt it before. It's like when it's sensitive here. When I push it, it's
When you
very,
push.
very painful.
Ah, okay, so you have the pain when you walk, which was here and now is here, and you have the pain when you push on it, which is here. Am
When
I
I
correct?
push it, it's here.
Okay,
When I walk on the stairs like before, it's here.
okay.
El dolor cuando camina se sitúa aquí y al tocar está aquí.
Stiffness just around,
Yeah.
around the bone.
Okay, when I push here, is it tender? This one? Okay, what about this one? No. This one? A bit on this one, okay. So now I'm right on St. Joe 4.
Triple prefector 4. Si digo San Jao para los españoles.
Sí.
It's faster than... Okay. Okay. This one I make rearrange it. Now you just do this gentle. Okay, now you can try the stairs.
It's gone.
It's gone? Okay, give me
Bueno.
5.